So I went with the rear HD kit, and I will be also changing all of these: upper control arm, bottom control arm, and here are the rear shocks. This is my 04 GX470. I will be changing out the rear airbags with actual springs from Eibach, and those are the HD springs. As you can see, I lowered the spare wheel. Everything looks pretty good in here, so I'm gonna begin now. So, step one, remove the spare tire. Remove this air box thing for the air springs. Now we'll be pulling out these. Also be replacing the track bar as well. And other than that, it's been a huge pain, but getting there for sure. All right. So got both the airbags out. On top of here, it has a clip that you have to pull out, and for these are pretty much stuck on. I'm gonna have to cut the bolt over here. And I also misspoke, and I thought that globe thing was the air compressor, but actually the air compressor is right here. So I will be pulling that out. So far, so good. So now I'm starting to take out the upper control arms, which is a huge pain. I'm also working on cutting the shocks as well. So far, getting it done. So, I was able to saws out the shock. This was a total pain in the ass. And pull out the upper control arm. This was pretty bad. Here's the new one. So here's a video of my old lower control arm versus new. They're not that bad, but I still want to change everything out. So install the bottom puck on the other side and install the top puck. Now I'm changing all the control arms. Small bolt goes on top, big bolt goes on the bottom. I was able to install my spring. I'm going to now work on the other side. I was able to install my control arm also. Just got done installing both uppers also. Here we go, install my energy bushings. And these links are 1 inch higher than OEM. Actually pulled out the air compressor as well, and I actually got everything done. Upper control arm, lower track bar, sway bar, links, everything is done. As you can see now, the car is very up, and I just ordered new off-road wheels as well, and you will see more videos on this.